The 500% tariff threat. What it could mean for every Indian home. Imagine this. You wake up tomorrow morning. You go to the petrol pump. Fuel prices are up higher suddenly. Your LPG cylinder booking shows a delay. Your monthly grocery bill feels heavier. Your phone EMI feels costlier. And then you hear this news on the line. The United States is considering a 500% tariff linked to India's trade with Russia. Is this real? Or is this propaganda? Or is this a warning sign of something much bigger? Tonight, we decode the truth behind the so-called 500% tariff and, more importantly, what it could mean for you, for me, the common Indian, even if never officially happens. This is the Unmasked Indian, and this story goes far beyond a headline. What is this 500% tariff talk? Let's see. Let's first start with the facts, not fear. There is no official 500% tariff imposed on India. The noise began when Donald Trump, along with hardline US lawmakers, supported a proposed sanctions framework targeting countries that continue large-scale trade with Russia, especially in oil and gas. This proposal talks about extreme punitive tariffs up to 500% as a pressure weapon, not as a decision nor as a signed order, but a threat mechanism. India's name appears because India is now one of the largest buyers of discounted Russian crude oil. Let's see, even if it doesn't happen, how could it affect you? This is the real investigation because markets react to fear faster than facts. Number first, fuel and LPG prices. If global pressure forces India to cut Russian oil imports, India may need to buy costlier crude. Fuel prices feel the impact first. Common man impact. Petrol, diesel, LPG becomes more expensive, and daily travel and household budgets take a hit. Number 2, food inflation. Fuel prices don't stop at fuel stations. They move to trucks, supply chains, mandis, and kirana stores. Common man impacts, vegetables, milk, groceries cost more. Monthly household expenses rise. Number 3, rupee pressure and imports. Geopolitical uncertainty scares investors. If the rupee weakens, imports get expensive. Electronics, medicines, fertilizers cost more. Common man impact, higher EMIs, costlier phones, appliances, and even essentials. Number 4, jobs and salary growth. Trade uncertainty affects IT services, manufacturing, export-linked jobs. Even rumors can delay global contracts. Common man impact, slower hiring, salary stagnation, and job insecurity. And number 5, markets, SIPs, and pensions. Markets hate uncertainty. Speculation alone can trigger volatility, hurt mutual funds, and impact long-term savings. And the common man impact is SIP returns slow down. Retirement plans get even affected. So why is Trump pushing this narrative? This is not only about India. For Donald Trump, this is also election messaging, America first, politics, economic pressure on Russia's oil revenue. India becomes a strategic mention, not the main target. But headlines remove nuance and panic spreads faster than the truth. What is India doing to defend itself? Let's see about that first. India is not passive. Under Sri Narendra Modi, the government's position is firm. Diplomatic response, legal position, strategic balance, and energy diversification is almost clear. On the diplomatic response, India has conveyed clearly energy security for 1.4 billion people cannot be compromised. And on the legal side, India follows UN sanctions, not unilateral pressure. And in the strategic phase, India continues its defense cooperation with the US, Indo Pacific partnerships, and Quad alignment. And for the energy diversification, Middle East sourcing, renewables, and strategic petroleum reserves are on it. This is preemptive defense, not reaction. But why this story matters even if the tariff never comes? Because in global politics, threats themselves are weapons. A tariff does not need to be imposed to shake markets, influence policy, or create fear. That is why responsible journalism matters. Clickbait panic doesn't. Truth must replace noise always. Because in a world driven by headlines, only those who understand the real truth stay ahead. If you want to know what is happening all around the world in just a few minutes, simplified, clear, and without noise, stay connected with the Unmasked Indian. Always subscribe so you don't miss the stories that truly matter before they affect your life. I'm Chandni, signing off from the Unmasked Indian. Fearless, unbiased, and unfiltered. Always stay tuned.